Morning, everybody. It's bright and early. Well, it's not really that early. It's like 7:45, 10 to 8. And B and I are gonna go to Walmart to get, I was looking for my pants. I think I have pants in here, my leggings. I have no idea. Okay, found my pants. Look at this piece of hair here. I tried putting it over on the other side. Doesn't want to do it, so you know what? It is what it is. So I like to go early to avoid any lines. And, oh, sorry, I hit you with the hanger. I apologize. And it's just nice to go early, get it over with, and then come home. So I'll show you the grocery haul when we get home. Okay guys, so I am back from the grocery store. It's 10 after 9. And like I said, I like going super early because there's hardly any people, which is really nice. When you have a toddler, you can just get your stuff done and leave. Ignore my hair. I don't know what it's doing today. But anyways, so if you guys are new to my channel, I am a stay-at-home mom. So my husband and I live off of one income. I do bring in some income from YouTube, and I'm a freelance makeup artist. But primarily it's one income. So everything that I purchased is from Walmart. I do a lot of price matching and seeing what the cost of something is and really paying attention to how much product you're actually getting, because something might look cheaper, but it might be half of what you would get if you just paid a little bit more. Do you see what I'm saying? So a lot of this stuff now I'm trying to like look at the dollar amount per item and actually see how much you get because that makes a huge difference. So let's get into the haul. I spent a total of, I believe it was $193. That is Canadian. And this should do us for about a week and a half, I would say. Week and a half to 2 weeks. So I guess that'd be like $150 or $160 American. I am gonna get a Costco membership at the end of the month because, well, this is the end of the month, but because I like to get my meat, and I will buy toilet paper in bulk and stuff like that there because it is better for you. But today I just went to my local Walmart and stocked up on some things that we really needed. Ignore the little baby, she's just here having her Cheerios. So the first thing that I picked up are these wipes. Now, every time I buy wipes, if I buy like a 3-pack of this, the wipes are usually $8 or $8.97, and it only gets you like 64 wipes. But these were $17, but you get 504 wipes. So even though you're spending $17, you're getting more product, and it's actually cheaper in the long run to buy in bulk. So I got her Pampers Sensitive wipes. I got the Great Value brand canola oil cooking spray. I believe this was $2 or $2.87 as opposed to the Pam version, like the brand name. The Pam was like four something. So to me, olive oil spray is olive oil spray, or canola oil spray is canola oil spray. So save your money on stuff like this because to me, the brand name doesn't really make much of a difference. Next, I got some Kraft peanut butter. This was on sale for $4.97. I got Red Path sugar. My father-in-law works at Red Path, so shout out to him. This was like $1.80. I got B some Cheerios. These were on sale, and they are the honey nut kind. That's what she's eating now. I picked up the Maxwell House coffee. This is French vanilla, and for 12 K-cups, it was only $4.97 compared to other brands that were like $8.97 and up. So, and I mean, I do love my coffee. I think this is fine. It tastes good. It's a vanilla flavor, so that saves quite a bit of money right there. The next thing I got was detergent. This is the Arm & Hammer Sensitive Skin detergent, and it says that it does about 100 loads. It's 4.43 liters, and this was under $9. Usually a detergent like Tide that's this big is at least 15, so that was a really good value. I bought the large 2% milk and 3.25% milk for Blake. And I bought the Nielsen because I was buying an organic brand, but it was $6 per thing. This per like skinny one, this big thing was $4.25. So you save about $2 each here, so that's $4 right there. Next, I just picked up the Great Value canola oil brand. This I use a lot for baking, like for my muffins and my cookies, and this was quite a bit cheaper compared to the brand name. I got some baby cut carrots. I bought some black beans because they were on sale for 88 cents a can, and they're great for quesadillas, which we do have a lot in this family, or veggie burgers, black bean burgers. I got these 75 disinfecting wipes. This is the Great Value brand. This was only like $3, no, less than $3. I think it was $3 compared to I think it was $5.97 for the Lysol brand. And this also kills 99% of germs, and it has a lemon scent, so pick that up. I got 6 jumbo Cascade paper towels. These were way cheaper than the Tiger brand and the other main brand, I believe by at least $3. So I picked those up and saved some money there. Now, I do prefer my cashmere toilet paper, but this was on sale, so that's why I picked it up. But I will buy more brand name toilet paper because I don't like the Great Value brand. I find it rough on my butt, so I got the good stuff. The only thing I did buy that wasn't really as good of a deal as, say, Costco, is this prime chicken raised without antibiotics. So it's only $12. I mean, it's $12 for 4, which is actually not the best value, but I desperately needed chicken, and I wasn't going to drive all the way to the other city to get the Costco chicken. But I am in the future going to buy Costco chicken because I believe you get more than double for less than it would be for this price. So that's that. I got some lean ground beef. It's a really good, cheap meal idea. It's only $6.50. I got this Pillars oven roasted chicken breast, and I got this for, it was $8, and this had 375 grams. Now the chicken or ham I usually buy is like the natural selections, and it's $5 for 175 grams. So you're getting double, almost more than double, for $8. So it actually is cheaper to buy it this way. So I picked that up. I got my Great Value orange juice. This was quite a bit cheaper. It's no pulp. I did get a Philadelphia cream cheese just because I prefer the brand name cream cheese. I got Great Value, ignore the crumbs, I still have to clean up from breakfast. Great Value unsalted butters, quite a bit cheaper than the name brand. I got some Dad's cookies for Blake. And I do buy brand name cheese. I really like the Armstrong. It was cheaper than Cracker Barrel by at least $1. So I picked up a cheddar and a mozzarella. I'll show you Blakey's clothes after because they're really cute. I got her these Parents' Choice fruit pouches. These are only $1, so that's why I picked them up as opposed to any other brands. The lettuce was $2, I believe, so I got 2 romaine lettuce. I picked up some strawberries. I got the Great Value fabric softener sheets. These were quite a bit cheaper than the brand name stuff. This is a great deal. This was $5 for a bathroom value pack. So that's the Lysol toilet bowl cleaner and a Lysol foam spray. So $5 for both of these. That was really good because I know even at my dollar store, one thing of Lysol like this is $3. So it's actually cheaper sometimes to buy the value packs. I like my Dawn dish soap. This was $1.97. We got bananas. These were 88 cents. Cucumber. A thing of organic carrots. I picked up the Golden Egg Omega-3 12-pack of eggs. These were $3, and I was buying the $6.99 organic eggs. But you know what? We're on a budget now, so we don't need to be spending $6 on eggs. I got green onion, and I actually really like this bread. This is the Great Value bread. It's like $2, and it's 100% whole wheat, or $2.97, and it tastes really, really good. Colin loves it. I love it. It's 160 calories for 2 slices. It's really good. So for Blake, I love Walmart clothes. I think they have really good value. So these little leggings, they just have, I hear you, baby. They just have little holly. It says Merry and Bright, and they've got little mittens and gingerbread men and candy canes. These were on sale for $4, so I picked those up for Blake. What, sweetheart? Oh, you lost a Cheerio. She wants me to get her Cheerio. Don't worry, all my floors are clean. I'm a little OCD when it comes to cleaning my floors. And then this was originally $9.97. It was on clearance for $5, and it's this super soft, like bubblegum pink sweater dress. I thought that was so cute, and how cute does that look with these leggings? So you guys, check out your Walmart because they have the most adorable clothes for little girls. And then I picked her up some Christmas jammies because she always wears Christmas jammies on Christmas Eve. And these were $9.94, and they're super soft, and they just have little Santas. And compared to Carter's, I think Carter's are at least $12. So you save like $3 right there. So I thought they were really cute. So thank you guys for watching my budget grocery haul. I hope you liked it. If you guys want to see more of these, please thumbs up this video because like I said, I'm gonna get stuff from Costco and I'll compare like prices and give you some more like shopping tips. So if you like it, thumbs up this video and please subscribe. I love you guys and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!